How to fix iPhone not charging properly. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. The first step that you like to do is check for the charging cable or adapter. Inspect for damage, look for frayed wires, bent connectors or visible damage. Once you check for it, the next step would be to clean the charging port. Dust or lint may block the connection, so use a dry or soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the charging port. But keep in mind to never use a sharp object like pens as they can damage the port. The next step would be to restart your device. To restart your device, simply press the power off button and the volume off button at the same time. Once you do so, you'll find this interface that says slide to power off. Simply slide that button and then you'll be able to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches that prevents charging. Once you restart your device, check for software update. So simply go ahead and tap on settings. Once you're inside settings, simply tap on general. Then once you're inside general, tap on software updates. Once you're here, check if your iPhone is running the latest iOS version as the updates often fixes charging related bugs. Once you're done with this step, head back to your settings and then you want to go ahead and reset all settings. To do that, simply tap on general, then scroll below and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now from here tap on reset and then you want to go ahead and tap on reset all settings. Doing so might fix your issue. And that's how I do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.